Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of humanity, exploring 5 incredible facts that showcase the diversity, ingenuity, and impact of our species.
Fact number 1. Did you know that the oldest known Homo sapiens fossils date back around 300,000 years? That's right, our species has been roaming the Earth for millennia, evolving and adapting to diverse environments.
Fact number 2. Humans are the only species known to engage in agriculture, a pivotal development that led to the rise of civilizations and the modern world as we know it. Fact number 3. The human brain is a marvel of nature, weighing about 3 pounds and containing around 86 billion neurons. It's the powerhouse behind our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Fact number 4. With over 7,000 different languages spoken worldwide, humans showcase an incredible diversity of communication, reflecting the richness of our cultures and societies. Fact number 5. From the icy tundras of the Arctic to the dense rainforests of the Amazon, humans have explored and settled in almost every corner of the Earth, adapting to a wide range of environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of humanity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, stay curious.